Hello! Welcome to my channel, Lucifer. Code with ease. Today's topic is left to right underlined hovering animation. Let's start with the HTML code. Let me select HTML language. This is the basic code for the HTML web page. Add a UL tag with last name list. Add li tag with last name link with desired text. This is it for the HTML code. Now let's run the code. Now let's add style to it. Now let's start with CSS Code. Just select the CSS option and start adding style sheet. Let's start with body. Then add position absolute and top 50%, left 50%, and enter transform value as translate -50%. This will arrange every component in the center of the body. Now let's style a UL tag. Set list style to none. Align the text in the left. Now let's style last link. Add relative position and display it in inline block style. Add margin 2 pixels. Set text decoration to none. Add white color. Now add padding of 5 pixels and font size of 20 pixels. Now let's style last link after insertion. Add content with null values. Add the width of 100% and height 2 pixels and add white background color and add border radius 4 pixel. Then add position absolute, left 0, bottom 0, transform to scale 0, transform origin to left, add a transition of transform 0.25 seconds with an ease. Now let's style last link with a hover effect after insertion. Transform to scale 1. This is it for the CSS code. Now let's run the code. Now you can see changes occurred because of styling. This is the end product of the whole code. Enjoy the code. Do share this video with your friends. Check this out.